every single day. I'm gonna make something great.
Hopefully guys, lecture number 3 is clear, which was about prefixes, and link is in description. Let's move to lecture number 4, and topic is scientific notation. First of all, what is scientific notation? In scientific notation, a number is expressed as some power of 10 multiplied by a number between 1 and 10. In simple words, I can say either small or large number can be represented in some power of 10. So why we are using scientific notation? What is purpose of this? This basically saves writing down large numbers of zeros. For example, distance between Moon and Earth is approximately 384,000,000 meter. It's too much complicated for reader as well as for listener. But with the help of this method, individuals can be write this biggest number like this way. 3.84 into 10 raised to 8 meter. If you noted, I represent this biggest number in some power of 10. So let me explain how can I write this biggest number like this way. This method is known as scientific notation. Guys, consider this biggest number, which is 62750.0, and I want to represent it in terms of scientific notation. Basically in here I want to play with this decimal point. Let me explain it step by step. First of all, if I cross just 2 digits, then how can I write in terms of scientific notation? Like this, my decimal point is in here, I want to shift it in there because these are just 2 digits. So 1, 2. How can I write in terms of scientific notation? Like this. 627.5 into 10 raised to power plus 2. Guys, if you notice, I put plus sign in power of 10. Why? Because I moved from right side. You remember, whenever you move from right side to left side, then you have to put plus sign in power of 10. Conversely, when you move from left side to right side, then you have to put minus sign in power of 10. Now, if I want to shift or show 3 digits movement, then how can I write in terms of scientific notation? Like this. It is my biggest number and I want to show 3 digits movement. So 1, 2, 3, 62.75 into 10 raised to power plus 3. Similarly, for 4 digits movement, 6275.0, and my demand is 4 digits movement. Do remember, I need one known 0 digit before decimal, and it will be at this point. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6.275 into 10 raised to power plus 4. This is pretty way to write this biggest number in terms of scientific notation. Guys, consider another example, which is 0.00045 second, and I want to represent this smallest number in terms of scientific notation. Again, I have to play with this decimal point. I need just one known 0 digit before decimal, and 4 is known 0 digit. Let's move this decimal point from here to there and count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I move just 4 digits. How can I write in terms of scientific notation? Like this. 4.5 into 10 raised to power minus 4 second. It's quite a pretty way to write this smallest number in terms of scientific notation. And in the power of 10, you see it here is minus sign because I moved from left side to right side. Whenever move from left side to right side, then have to put minus sign in power of 10. Consider another example, which is 0.0000000016 gram. Oh, it's so smallest number. So I have to represent this smallest number also in terms of scientific notation. Again, I have to play with this decimal point, and I need one known 0 digit before decimal. And this is start at this point. So let's move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I moved just 9 digits. 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 9 gram. It looks quite pretty for reader as well as for the listener. Hopefully guys, you got my point, and with the help of this example I conveyed my knowledge to you. If you have any confusion, just write in comment section. See you in next lecture with another topic. Have a nice time. Bye.